Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm sharing an home decor wooden sign, and this is super easy and simple to make. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to do. I started by measuring and cutting a thin wood piece into 10 cm sticks. If you guys have scrap wood at home, you can just use that. The sticks will be used as support in the back of the sign. If you don't have any cutting tools at home, you can just get your wood cut at your local hardware store. I went on to spray paint the wood panels with spray paint. Alternative, you can use wood stain. After everything dried up, I hammered the small wood pieces into the back to secure everything together. Make sure that you have the right size of nails because you don't want the nail to go all the way through the wood. Additionally, I added hooks onto the outside. Now I started the lettering of the sign, and to make it easy, I printed on tracing paper and outlined everything first. Next, I filled it in with a paint marker. And that's already it. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and then I will see you at the next DIY.